continue the concept of transmission of heat. The transmission of heat, it is the main aim to transfer heat from one place to another place due to the temperature variation. So there are three processes: heat transfer, conduction, convection, radiation. In radiation process, the heat transfer from sun to earth surface without medium. Without medium, heat transfer from sun surface to earth surface. Capital R is the radius of the sun, and capital T, temperature of sun, and small r, average distance between sun and earth, that is smaller. We find out the temperature of the sun. We want temperature on surface of sun. We want temperature of surface on surface of sun. First of all, sun emits the radiation in all directions. Sun is a spherical body. The sphere of area 4 pi capital R square. It emits the radiation in all the directions. The emissive power, it is written as energy emitted per unit area per unit time. That is, emissive power is written as Q upon AT. Energy emitted per unit area per unit time. This is written as emissive power is directly proportional to fourth power of temperature, absolute scale of temperature. E proportional to T power 4. It is E equals to sigma into T power 4. This is emissive power. But using the rate of emission of heat, Q upon T, rate of emission of heat, Q upon T, that is written as, so sigma into A into T power 4. Because this is Q upon AT, that is equals to sigma T power 4. So Q by T equals to sigma into A into T power 4. So this is the rate of emission of heat. It is nothing but power. Power means rate of emission of heat, sigma into A into T power 4. Suppose using emissivity, then small g is using, this is the power equals to E into sigma into A into T power 4. This is the power, rate of emission of heat of sun emitted radiation. Sigma into E into A into T power 4. This is the power, it is E into sigma into 4 pi capital R square. This is the area of sun, it is, into T power 4 it is. The sun emitted radiation, that radiation is spread in all the direction. The radiation spread in all the direction. Radiation is transfer every direction. But every direction, this radiation incident on the surface of earth. Radiation incident on surface of earth. The radiation absorbed by surface of earth is next. So this is, the sun emits the radiation. This radiation is a transfer in all the direction. Radiation incident on the surface of earth. That means the radiation spread in all the direction. The spread of radiation spread of radiation in all directions means this is spread of radiation or intensity. This is rate of radiation per unit area rate of radiation per unit area, that is called solar constant, is called solar constant. So solar constant, that is indicates S. S is write as, this is P upon 4 pi small r square. This is S into 4 pi small r square. This is equals to P. Well, you know that S into 4 pi small r square, its value E into sigma into 4 pi capital R square into T power 4. This value 4 pi is cancelled. S into R square, S into R square by E into sigma into capital R square, that is equals to T power 4. Where S, so T is write as S into R square by E into sigma into R square whole power 1 by T equals to S into R square by E into sigma into R square whole power 1 by 4. This is the temperature of the sun. So temperature on surface of the sun, where the S value, S is solar constant. S indicates solar constant. It is nothing but absorptive power. It is absorptive power, matlab it is energy absorbed per unit area per unit time. Its value becomes, so this is 2 calorie per centimeter square into minute. It is nothing but S equals to 1.4. 1.4, this is joule per meter square into second. This is 1.4 watt per meter square. This is solar constant. Again, smaller average radius. Average radius of this is 1.5. 1.5 into 10 power 8 kilometer it is. And radius of the sun. Radius of the sun, just this radius is nothing but 7 into 10 power 5 kilometer. Then sigma value, sigma Stefan's constant, 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square. Watt per meter square, this is sigma value, Kelvin power 4. This value is using, and emissivity, black body E equals to 1. Then T value, substitute these values in this equation. S R square E into sigma into R square whole power 1 by 4. This value T equals to 5800 Kelvin. So this is the temperature on surface of the sun. Temperature on surface of the sun. Just here, the radiation spread, the spread of the radiation around sun. So spread of radiation around the sun, this radiation incident on the surface of earth, then here we are using one constant, solar constant, that is absorbed radiation per unit area, absorbed radiation per unit area, that is solar constant. That value S is equals to 2 calorie per centimeter square into minute. After T value 5800 Kelvin. Given problem, a black body emits the radiation at a rate of P. This is nothing but energy emitted per time. So when its temperature is T. So Q upon T, that is P. Image, this is P is write as Q by T. Is directly proportional to fourth power of temperature, Stefan-Boltzmann equation. P proportional to T power 4. At what temperature would the wavelength and which radiation has maximum? The intensity is lambda naught. That condition, the wavelength of radiation, maximum wavelength is lambda naught. If at another temperature 2T, the power of radiated is P dash and wavelength is lambda naught by 2, then P dash is equals to this is rate of emitted radiation, Q upon T. This is P write as Q by T. Rate of emitted radiation is directly proportional to fourth power of temperature. Here no relation between power and wavelength. Power and wavelength between no relation. Just P and T between relation P proportional to T power 4. P1 upon P2. T1 upon T2 whole power 4 it is. It is write as P1 by P2. That is write as P dash upon P. It is finally this is the power, it is rate of emitted radiation and initial finally temperature 2T upon T whole power 4 it is. P dash upon P. This is equals to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 that is nothing but 16. P dash equals to 16 P it is. P dash is right as 16 P. This is the power. When temperature to twice, then power becomes 16 times of P. And another problem, a black body emits the radiation of maximum wavelength 5000 angstrom. When the temperature of the body is 1227, temperature related wavelength. Temperature and wavelength relation is given. Lambda proportions to 1 by T. This is called Wien's displacement law. So temperature and wavelength between the relation, that is Wien's displacement rule. It is Wien's displacement law. So that is lambda into T equals to constant. Here the temperature is degree Celsius given. Here the temperature is Kelvin. Lambda into T equals to constant. So lambda into T equals to constant. It is lambda and T between the relation. Initially the wavelength is 5000 angstrom into temperature 1227 plus 273, that is nothing but 1500 Kelvin. So here temperature increased by 1000 degrees centigrade. Temperature increased by 1000 means already 1500 plus 1000, that is 2500 into this is wavelength, lambda value we want. The maximum intensity would be that is in wavelength value we want. Its value becomes 2500 cut into this is 2 times. Its value lambda equals to 3000, wavelength is 3000 angstrom. This is the problem. Temperature of black body is given, increased from minus 273 degrees centigrade to 327 degrees centigrade. Temperature increases from minus 73 degrees centigrade to 327 degrees centigrade. But we want, what is the ratio of MEG power? MEG power, temperature is very large values. Using Stefan-Boltzmann law, E proportions to T power 4. Temperature in Kelvin scale it is. Stefan-Boltzmann's law applicable high temperatures. Then E proportions to T power 4 using this relation. So temperature of initial condition minus 73 degrees Celsius, but it is converted into Kelvin plus 273. Its value T1 value equals to 200 Kelvin. Again T2 value is 327 plus 273. Then its value T2 equals to 600 Kelvin it is. T1 and T2. Again given here the relation between emitted power and absolute scale of temperature E1 by E2 equals to T1 by T2 whole power 4. So E1 by E2, its value becomes 200 by 600 whole power 4 it is. Its value E1 by E2 is equals to 1 upon, this is 1 by 3 power 4 it is. Its value becomes E1 upon E2. Its value is to 1 upon 81. This is the E1 by E2. Assuming the sun have a spherical black body of radius r, radiation at a temperature of T degrees centigrade, small t. Then the power received by unit surface area, we want power received by unit surface area. This is the sun. So this is emits the radiation. This is emit the radiation is passing all the directions, but this radius is given smaller. This radius is given capital R. Capital R is the radius of the surrounding. But here Earth, this is Earth, but this Earth is power received by unit surface. Power received by unit surface, first sun is a big black body. So emissive power of sun, this is write as sigma into T power 4 into small d. See, E indicates emissivity. So this is nothing but emissivity. So this is the relation. And again, you write as Q upon A into T. This is E into sigma into T power 4. This is nothing but Q upon T. This is called power. Power radiated. E into sigma into A into T power 4. This is nothing but power. So this is Q upon T. This is nothing but power. This power is write as P equals to E into sigma into 4 pi small r square. Radius of the sun is smaller into T power 4. This is power. E into sigma into 4 pi small r square into T power 4. This is nothing but power. And again we want. So this is power received by unit surface. Power received by unit surface, that is nothing but. So power received by unit surface is nothing but solar constant, is S. This is nothing but solar constant. It is write as S is equals to P upon 4 pi capital R square. Power received per unit area. Power upon area. This is nothing but P upon 4 pi R square. It is S is write as S is equals to power equals to E into sigma into 4 pi small r square into capital T. They given small t. Small t converted into capital T. Small t plus 273 upon it is write as 4 pi capital R square. Its value becomes S is equals to E into sigma into small r square T plus 273 upon capital R square. This is solar constant. Or solar constant, or it is nothing but power received by unit surface area. The given problem, sphere and cube, two bodies are given. One is sphere, another one is cube. So these sphere and cube having same area of cross section. Area of cross section is set. So one is sphere and another one is cube. It is. Area of the sphere 4 pi r square. Cube area. This is 6l square surface area of the cube. So both made up of same material. Same material means same specific heat. S1 equals to S2. Same specific heat and same density made up of same material. So ρ1 equals to ρ2. Density are same. Thermal conduction, coefficient of thermal conductivity also same, K1 equals to K2. That means two materials, same specific heat, same density, same coefficient of thermal conduction. That means they made up of same material. And again both heated to the same temperature. This temperature theta. This is also rises at the same temperature theta. And surrounding temperature is theta naught. Theta naught is the surrounding temperature. Theta naught, this is surrounding temperature like this. Okay, rising temperature is same and surrounding temperature also same. The ratio of their initial rate of cooling. We want rate of cooling. What is the value of rate of cooling? d theta upon dt. That is nothing but rate of cooling. d theta upon dt is nothing but is called rate of cooling. Rate of cooling it is. You know that in this condition, so rate of cooling it is applicable very low temperatures. Again, suppose this rate of cooling we using, this is based on the Stefan-Boltzmann's law. Stefan-Boltzmann's law, dq upon dt, rate of loss of heat, this is equals to E into sigma into A into T power 4 minus T naught power 4. T power 4 minus T naught power 4. dq upon dt it is. So it is write as dq, that is write as, dq is write as m into mass into specific heat into d theta by dt. dq equals to ms delta theta, that is equals to E into sigma into area. Area into T power 4 minus T naught power 4. So here in this equation, d theta upon dt, rate of cooling, is proposed. So this is write as A upon m into s. A upon m into s. So into same, the relation is E into sigma into T power 4 minus T naught power 4. So this is E same material, sigma same, and T power 4 minus T naught power 4 are same, specific heat same, made up of same material, and same rise in temperature. Same rise in temperature, the relation only d theta upon dt, this is proportional to A upon m, area upon mass it is. d theta by dt is proportional to A upon m. A indicates area and m indicates mass it is. Area and mass. So first of all, d theta by dt proportional to A upon m. A indicates area, m indicates mass. First we are using sphere and cube. Area of the sphere, that is nothing but 4 pi r square, and area of the cube, surface area 6l square. After we using mass equals to sphere mass 4 by 3 pi r cube into density. So this is a sphere cube of mass equals to volume into density, L cube into rho. So this is the mass value, same material, the densities are same, but these values are using here. Rate of cooling we want d theta 1 upon dt, rate of cooling, ratio of rate of cooling. Ratio of rate of cooling, that is write as d theta by dt of sphere is to d theta by dt of cube. So this is rate of cooling we find out karna padega. So in this condition d theta by dt proportional to A upon m. A write as sphere 4 by 4 pi r square. This is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube into density is to d theta by dt of cube. Cube value is 6l square upon l cube into density it is. So given relation here, the relation after calculation of this values, these values are cancelled. So r cube r square, this is l square l cube, the density is cancelled. Its value becomes, this is write as, here the r square is over, so this is 3 upon r is remaining. 3 upon r. And here the value is 6 upon l is remaining. One r term, one is l term. You know that their surfaces areas are equal. So the suppose 4 pi r square equals to 6 l square. 2. This is 3 times. 2 pi r square equals to 3 l square. You know that r equals to root 3 upon root 2 pi into L. So root R value root 3L upon this is root 2 pi. Root 2 pi. R value put here, the value becomes, so this is 3 upon root 3 into L upon root 2 into pi. So its value equals to 6 upon L, it is 6 by L. So L value is cancelled and here the value is. So after simplification its value equals to. So this is root 3. So root 3 this is write as root 6 pi is to 6. Root 6 pi is to 6 it is. It is write as this value becomes so pi. So this is 6 divided with 6. This is 1. So divided with 6. So this is 1. This is root pi upon 6. Root of pi upon 6 is to 1 it is. Divided 6. Then this value becomes 1. This value root 6 by 6, that is nothing but pi upon 6 of whole root. This is, so d theta upon dt of sphere is to d theta upon dt of cube. So these are the values. Root pi by 6 is to 1. So R and L value, the relation of R and L is this value.